How to check and increase Tamara limit. Now, Tamara does not actually have a manual or direct option for you to be able to increase your spending limit or your spending power. Now, for you to be able to check your current limit, what you want to have to do is to open up the application or maybe from the official website itself. Make sure that you're logged in into your Tamara account, and then at the top right hand portion of your screen, you should see three lines. And from there, just head straight into your Tamara wallet. Now, for you to be able to increase it, you just have to be pay on time, build history, clear debts, use valid details, avoid prepaid cards because you just need to use an authorized bank card, not prepaid ones for payments, and you just need to be patient as well for being consistent. Positive activity automatically raises your spending power. So those are the very basic things that you can do for you to be able to check and increase your tomorrow limit.